All right, this is Larry Yeager at Yeager Cycle, and I want to show you how to put your Harley-Davidson Pan America in a transport mode. I recently went on a trip, had to haul it, didn't want to leave the fob on it, and even if you left the fob in the vehicle, it will run the battery down over an extended period of time because the signals will flash every now and then and reset the security system, and it runs your battery dead. So when you get to your destination, you're totally dead. So you don't want that. This is how you get around that. It's all going to be driven with the off-run switch. It's going to be driven with the high beam flash switch, which is right here, and the left-hand turn signal switch. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to turn the ignition on. We're going to hold both of these buttons simultaneously. We're going to turn the ignition off and continue holding the left-hand turn signal and the flash until it goes black, and then it's going to see that screen right there. So now it means it's in transport mode. So now you can haul it. You don't have to worry about your battery going dead. And then when you get to your destination, happy trails.